Make sure that you click that red subscribe button right now and click the bell right next to it. Click that bell
it's
right now.
Over there. It's over there. You know, you can't miss it. It's right there. It's the red button. And make sure you click the bell button too.
Daddy's saving stuff! Here. What? Make sure to click that bell. It says see all our new videos. Wow, that's a big ball. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! What?
Boys, no! No, no, no!
What did I do?
Kids cannot use a razor. Only for daddies. No razors for kids, okay?
Okay.
Now let's wipe this off. Come here.
I am on sale. What can we do? I know! We can decorate our daddy's office! Right? Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, let's go!
Hello? No, I wanted it on my desk yesterday. No, what do you mean? I need it on my desk now.
Button, let's go. Okay. Make sure to click that bell. It says see all our new videos.
Boys, what did you do? There's Post-it notes and stickers everywhere. Listen, boys, no stickers allowed at Daddy's office. We gotta clean this up. Come on, let's clean it up.
Okay. Hey. Bell. Bell. What's
Sawyer, put the sticker on the paper, baby. What are you guys doing? No, 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 no! Stop! Ryder and Braxton, no jumping on couches. What are you doing?
Sorry. Come on, so let's go outside and play.
Sawyer, we need to clean this car. You want to help me? It's so dirty. We gotta clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Good job, Sawyer. Are you working, Sawyer?
She's not there. Let's go. Yeah. Sawyer, you want to push it? Let's.
Okay.
What is that?
What's she saying? What is she saying?
I said no honking. You couldn't hear me because you kept honking. No honking. Go play, boys.
Yes. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, you ha.
helmets, and that's great. But this says biking, and you didn't ask Mommy to play. Can I play?
Yes, of course.
I want to play. Good job, Ryder.
Hey guys, I'm on a crypto bed now, dudes. Oh my gosh, that's doing flip. Oh man, I'm stuck. Ha ha. Bye. Help me.
Oh man!
Hey, what are you doing? To give you a win bump drive. You can move on, and I'm trying to win the race. I'm kind of stuck here. I can help you move. Oh man, I'm stuck too. Better call the tow truck. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, hello? Hello? Yes, I need a tow truck, please. Oh, yes, I'll come right back. Thank you, bye-bye. Much car I should take? It's gonna be here in just a minute, okay? Okay. No, no, no. Oh, no. This one. What? Oh, my head one. There. That's so funny. Don't get dirt on that car. Good, so I'm trying to walk here. How are you gonna get me out with that thing? I'm walking. What car is that? Yeah. You can't tell you're there. Oh my gosh, he can't tell me. That's a cute, nice little car there, sir. I don't want to get a doggy. You broke my truck. Sorry. I'm not gonna win this race now. What? Hey, you forgot about me. I gotta win this race. I didn't win. I won! I gotta jump it. I gotta jump it. Yeah, now I gotta jump it.
Carl. This is Sawyer.
I'm Jesse.
Make sure that you click that red subscribe button right now and click the bell right next to it. Click that bell
It's
right now.
over there. It's over there. You know, you can't miss it. It's right there. It's the red button. And make sure you click the bell button too, so you can see all of our new videos as soon as they come out. Ain't that right, Ryder? Okay.
Bye.